Hey everyone, JJ Cagle here. Today I am going to show you how you can stop getting notifications when people mention you in iMessages on iOS 14. If you don't want to know what a mention is or how to do it, check out that video in the top left corner of this video. If you do know what a mention is and you are getting dinged because people are mentioning you in iMessages and you don't want to get those notifications anymore, there's actually a way to turn that off. And it is called Notify Me. So we can go to Settings and then scroll down to the Messages settings. Go ahead and click on Messages and then scroll down until we see this Notify Me. We can go ahead and toggle Notify Me off, and now we will not receive notifications when someone mentions us in iMessages. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Please subscribe.